Hello everyone, my name is Jumai.
And I am Ella.
Welcome to our channel. We're going to show you two really easy Valentine experiments. Don't forget you need an adult to supervise this experiment.
Make sure you watch to the end to see the experiments.
In our first experiment, we are going to grow crystal hearts. Watch to see how we did it. We need a jar or beaker, hot water, borax powder. Let an adult pour hot water into the jar and add 3 tablespoons of borax powder for every 1 cup of hot water. Stir the borax powder into the hot water. Make a heart out of pipe cleaners and wrap around a rope or a popsicle stick. Place in a jar where the crystals will form. Allow to rest for 24 hours and your crystals will grow. Wow, look, the crystals we grew. Okay, so our next experiment is lava lamp, and we have baking soda here. We have food coloring, red color.
We have vegetable oil. We have vinegar.
Using a beaker or a mason jar. So we add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Next, fill 3/4 of the mason jar with vegetable oil. Vinegar. I add some vinegar to it, like about 1/4.
Few drops of red coloring.
Put an LED lamp under the beaker. Drops of the mixture of food coloring and vinegar into the beaker and watch the magic unfold.
And did you enjoy watching this experiment? To see more experiments from us.
If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.
Remember to hit the subscribe button
And turn on the bell notification so you don't miss our videos every Saturday. Thank you.